Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're all about the sleekest, no-fuss manicure, then you might just want to stick around for this one. Let's talk about the Kiss imPRESS No Glue Mani Press on Nails, Color FX in the Fly Up shade. If you've been dreaming of that perfect mani without the mess, fuss, or let's face it, the hassle of drying time, this product might be the game changer you've been waiting for. Now let's break it down. The Kiss imPRESS press-on nails are a no-glue, ready-to-wear solution for anyone looking for a quick and easy way to get a flawless manicure. This kit includes everything you need for an at-home DIY mani. 30 press-on nails, a mini nail file, a prep pad, a manicure stick, and instructions. The best part? There's absolutely no glue required. Just peel, press, and go. Sounds like a dream, right? First off, the standout feature of this product is its improved adhesive technology. It's designed for long-lasting wear, up to 10 days in fact. That's pretty impressive for press-on nails, especially if you're someone who's constantly on the go or tends to get a bit rough with your hands. The adhesive is strong enough to keep them securely in place, but it doesn't leave any sticky residue when you remove them. When it comes to wearability, these nails feel comfortable and natural. No awkward bulges or noticeable edges. They mold to your nails seamlessly. The Fly Up color, with its chrome-like metallic sheen, gives your nails an eye-catching, high-shine finish. It's the type of color that catches the light just right without looking overdone. Plus, it gives you that sleek, modern manicure that's perfect for a night out or even just to elevate your everyday look. During my testing, I found the application process to be incredibly simple. I had zero experience with press-on nails before using this product, and honestly, I was blown away by how easy it was. I was able to apply them in just a few minutes with no mess. The nails are also lightweight, which made wearing them feel natural, not heavy or cumbersome. I didn't even need to worry about smudging or waiting for anything to dry. It's a true time saver. Let's talk about performance. The adhesive held up surprisingly well. I wore them for several days, washing dishes, typing, and even texting, and they stayed firmly in place. It's worth noting that, like most press-ons, the nails aren't indestructible. A few accidentally knocked off nails here and there were inevitable, especially if you're doing something intense with your hands. But overall, they provided solid wear for the duration of the 10 days. Of course, no product is without its flaws. The main downside is that the nail shapes can feel a little limited if you're after something more custom. The fly-up shape is an oval short style, which works for a lot of people but may not be for everyone. If you're someone who prefers a longer or more pointed nail, you might not get the style you're hoping for here. Additionally, while the adhesive is strong, if you're someone who's really hard on your nails, you may notice some lifting after a few days of intense wear. In terms of value for money, I do think this is a great investment for a press-on nail set. At-home manicures can often be pricey at salons, and this set offers up to 10 days of wear with a high-quality finish, all for a fraction of the cost. The nails feel luxurious without the luxury price tag, making it a great option for anyone who wants a salon-quality look at home. Now, if you're someone who likes to compare, you'll find that the Kiss imPRESS nails stack up pretty well against other press-on brands. Unlike many that require glue and can leave your nails feeling stiff, this set stands out for its ease of use and long-lasting adhesive. While there are cheaper alternatives on the market, they often don't offer the same sleek, shiny, and high-end look that Kiss provides. Plus, the Color FX technology with that stunning metallic finish makes these nails a unique pick. The build quality of the nails is solid. They don't feel flimsy at all. I was impressed with how well they held up to wear. And as for the packaging, it's straightforward. Nothing too fancy, but definitely functional. If you're someone who struggles with press-on nails, lifting, or falling off too quickly, I'd say this product could be a game changer for you. The adhesive really helps them stay put. Plus, you get that high-end chrome-like finish with none of the salon price or time commitment. If you're on a tighter budget or just want to try out press-ons without making a big investment, there are alternatives that offer similar wear time, but the Color FX effect may be hard to match. Some cheaper options lack the shine and durability this set provides. So if you're after something with lasting power and a gorgeous metallic finish, it may be worth splurging just a little more for this set. To wrap it up, I have to say the Kiss imPRESS No Glue Mani Press-On Nails Color Effects are a great option for anyone looking to save time and money on a stylish manicure. They live up to the claims of being easy to apply, comfortable to wear, and long-lasting. The color and finish are unique, and the performance was surprisingly strong. I'd recommend them for anyone who wants a no-fuss, professional-looking manicure that lasts. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.